Jai Swaminarayan student. In the Python video series, we are going to start the basic programming on the Python. Earlier, we have started the programming on the arithmetic operators, some logical operators we have discussed. So today we are going to see some basic programs. So let's start one by one. So now I am going to solve the area of rectangle using the Python programming. So for the area of rectangle, we know that we require the length and breadth. So I am taking as an input variable in the length. So here I am writing the int input, enter the length. Okay. Next we are taking the breadth. So I am taking as a variable b. So here I am going to write integer, then round bracket. Input function we are taking whenever we are taking the input from the user. So that is the use of input function. So I am taking here, and in the string we have to write in the double quote. So enter the breadth. Okay. So length and breadth we are entered. Now we are going to write the area of rect. Okay, so area of rectangle, I am assigning value inside the variable as area of rectangle, where I am going to calculate the area. So that is equal to, that should be L then into B. Okay, and we are going to print in double quote area of rectangle is, right, and here I am giving the comma, and I am writing as area underscore rect. Okay, so I am going to save this file. So in the save, I am going to save internal storage, where I am going to save in the document. Then Python folder I am selected, and select the folder where I am going to give the name as rectangle. Okay, so rectangle area. So that is very easily to identify the program, and now I am just going to run it. Once I run it, see in the output it will ask for the enter the length. So length I am going to enter as a 4 centimeter. Okay, next it will ask for the breadth, so I am going to run for the 6. So the area is 24. Okay, hope you understood this problem. Very basic it is. Only two variable we have to take, that length and breadth. Okay, so on the basis of this you can do the programming for the area of triangle, that is half base into height. So and area of circle also. Okay, so I am going to tell you the area of circle. The area of triangle you can do by your side. Okay, so let's start. So here we are taking the new file. So go in the new. So area of circle we are going to see now. So what is the formula for the area of circle? That is pi r square, right? So in the area of circle we are taking input as a radius. So in the radius we are going to save the value. So take as the input value here. Here we are going to save integer. Again from user input we are going to take the radius value, integer input, then double quote, enter the radius of circle. Enter the radius of circle. Okay, then area of circle, we are going to calculate the area of circle. Okay, so equal to, so value is 3.14, then into radius into radius. Okay, that is the 3.14 into radius, right? So that should be pi square. So simply we are going to print this. So print in bracket, we are going to solve this area of circle. सो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल की वैल्यू देखते हैं अभी क्या मिलती है, इसमें आउटपुट देखते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द वेरी गुड ऐप वेयर यू कैन डू द पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग, राइट. सो इसको प्रिंट कर देते हैं. तो इसको प्रिंट करने के लिए इसका वेरिएबल का नाम लेना पड़ेगा अपने को. सो नाम जो है दैट इज़ अ सर्कल. ओके, अगेन यू हैव टू सेव दिस फाइल. सो इसको सेव करेंगे. सो सेव इट inside the same document folder where the Python programming already is there. The name of file should be the circle area. Circle area. Okay, save it. जैसे इसको सेव करते हो रन करो. देखो यहाँ पे आउटपुट मिला है आपको. It will ask for the enter the radius of circle. Suppose I am going to give as input as 8, right? So area should be the 200.96. You can do it manually also. So in the programming way you can find out the answer for this. See, for this to find out the positive and negative number, here we are going to see. So first we have enter the number, okay, as a input function. We are taking an input from the user, that's why we are using the input function. Then we are comparing that number whether it is greater than a 0 or not. So once it is greater than 0, the statement will be the positive number, and if it is less than 0, this else block execute the false condition, right? If execute, if check the condition, but if the condition is getting false, so else block will execute. So when we run it, so enter any number. If I am giving now the -3, so -3 will be the negative number because -3 is less than 0. Okay, so again one more time you can check, enter any number. Now I am checking as a 5, so this is the positive number. Hope you understand this basic program. So just do the practice for this. And for the assignment you can calculate the volume of a cube, surface area for the cylinder, and solve the quadratic equations. I mean, how to find the root of quadratic equation using the Python. Just solve it, try it, and if any doubt if you have, you can comment in the comment box and ask me. I am there to help you out. Okay, so thank you and Jai Swaminarayan.